Alright then, welcome to another weekend on Lunar. So this weekend I'm just putting out black along gunnels and up at top. Just round bits, but I'll show you. I was going to spray it, but I've decided not to bother because it's going to be too much hassle in future. If I have to touch it up, I want to be able to touch it up so that you know, something that I can easily do on outside the canal. And if I spray it, well, it's not going to really be that easy to spray it outside the canal. So I thought I'll just put it on with a foam roller. Same as what I've done in engine bay. Some of it I've sprayed in engine bay, but some I did with a foam roller. It's not that bad. If you get it thin enough, you know, it comes out pretty decent. So that's it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing anyway, so that's this morning's job. Then sand it, but it's only going to get a quick rip down, like it'll be alright. And then straight on with Raptor. Right, anyway, I'll leave you to watch a bit and see. Alright then, so rain stopped play. It said on weather that it was going to rain at about 8 o'clock tonight, but that was 25% chance, something like that. Anyway, it's been drizzling all day, so I just, well, on and off. So I've got a bit of sanding done, but I've just had to leave it. It's just too wet, so there's no point. It's not going to get painted this weekend. So a bit of wiring to do. Plenty of it. That's the thing about boats, when you're fitting them out, there's always, if you get rained off or you haven't got a part for to do one thing, there's always something else you've got, like, so there's always plenty to do. Right, anyway, so we're just doing a bit of wiring, plug sockets. There's a fuel spur going in that runs up to last plug socket that's under bed for charger for bow thruster. So it's just putting a fuel spur in here just so I can turn it on and off without going. That's if I keep one that I've got. If I get something else, because there's various ones, the same as one I've got in van. You can get them in 24 volt, which are Bluetooth, so which I can just turn it on and off with my phone. But anyway, that's so I'm just putting a fuel spur in as well, which I've got, but I think I've left it in other van. So, but I can put plug socket on anyway. So, right. So these are what I'm using, just top hat pedals. So just connect both at neutral, earths together, lives together and neutrals together, and put them in one of these. And that's it, pretty much. Put ferrule on, and then you have to make sure that there's a bit sticking out, and then I'll just trim that back later. So all these want to be a bit longer. Right, I'll crack on with that, and I'll show you it finished when it's finished. Right, so that's that fixed. Like a black, I forget now what they call them. Black nickel and black insert. It's like a black, shiny, chromey-ish looking thing. Right, anyway, so that forward. So because I never cut these out when I put paper on, like so. Right. Right, so I'll just work out my wiring. To find something to fish that out with. Oh, I don't know if you ring. Yeah, right then. So I've got switches wired up and what have you, and lights put up. So we're there's twin switching. You can switch it off at front, but I'm not going to overclaw me all at bed to show you. But, trust me, you can. Then there's there's another one for some LEDs that are going in on to side at cable tray. So yeah, so today's not been a total loss. Don't know what tomorrow's going to do, but we'll have to see. If it's any good, I'll get it painted. If not, I'll do something else in here. Right, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, mate. Alright then, so that's pretty much it for the weekend now. Just done a bit of wiring this morning. Got lights finished yesterday. I can't remember if I showed you, but I've done bathroom LEDs. Got them put in, like some light switches and what have you. So I just some filling jobs like with weather's as bad as it was yesterday today. So right, anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next week, and like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.